Today I'll be showing you how you can install Windows 11 on any PC. For this, the requirements are very simple. You just need a pen drive, some files, and a working PC. After you have all of this, make sure everything works. The pen drive you needs to be at least 8 gigs, or it has to have at least 8 gigabytes of free space. Make sure nothing is on your pen drive. Everything you have on your pen drive will be deleted. And also make sure there is nothing on your C drive or the drive that you are installing your Windows on. We will be formatting the drive to make a clean install. So now that we have everything, let's start. So for step number 1, what we need to do is make a bootable Windows 11 drive. First, connect your pen drive to your PC. Once it shows up, as you can see here, mine is called Windows 11 and it is a 32 gigs of pen drive. So once you see that, you'll see a link in the description where you'll find the file. You can download it and extract it. You'll see something called Rufus and a ISO. Once you're in Rufus, open the exe file. You should get a window like this. Once you get here, go in the boot partition option and select. Now we just have to find the ISO. So as you can see here, it's in the desktop and here's the ISO. Click on it and click open. It should load the ISO in Rufus. And once it loads, you can see something called Partition Scheme. This is what makes this part a little bit complicated because this is different for everyone. There are two types of partition, MBR and GPT. This resembles the way your hard disk or SSD installs Windows. There is a very easy way to check what partition your system uses. So first go into Start menu and look for Manage. Once you do that, you'll something called Computer Management. Click on it and you'll see a window like this. If you see a window like this, look for Disk Management and click it and you will see something like this. And look for the drive where you are trying to install Windows. Right click and go to Properties. When you are here, you need to go to Volumes and it will show the partition style of your hard disk. As you can see here, mine is MBR or Master Boot Records. Yours may be different, so whatever it is, make sure to check it because it is very crucial for your machine to boot. So once you select this, there is not much to do here. Then you can just click Start. Once you do that, you should get a warning. And this warning will say that it will delete all data in your pen drive, which we said in the beginning of the video. It will actually delete everything you have on your pen drive, including the partition. So now we just wait.
Here we go.
Once this says ready, that means it is done. Now you just have to close this and get ready to restart your PC. Close everything you have open and restart. I'm going to switch to my other camera to show you what happens next. So now that you're restarting, go to your keyboard and select the boot key. It differs from every PC, so you can check what is your boot key just by googling it. Now when you see a page like this, go up and down the list. You can do this just by hitting the arrow keys and select your pen drive. As you can see here, mine is this. When you hit enter, you should see a message like this: press any key to boot from USB. Just hit enter and you should be fine. Now give it some time to boot. Now we are booting from our pen drive. Once you are here, just click on next and install now. Now we just have to wait for the setup to start. Once you get here, you need to select custom. This will allow us to install Windows manually, or you can select the partition where you want to install. So for us, this is the drive we are installing, so we're going to select that and click format. Or as we said, that we will be deleting our boot drive, or we will be formatting it, so to make a clean install. So once it's done formatting, select that drive and click next. Then Windows should start doing whatever it does to install your Windows 11. Now we just have to wait and let Windows do its thing.
I was lost until I found that I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down.
Here we go.
I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down. That I'm invincible. Nobody gon' bring me down.
And there you go. Now you have Windows 11 on your PC. So after you are here, or you are done installing Windows 11, so in this version, since it's a custom build, there is a slight issue. What you need to do is get to Microsoft Store and wait for it to load. Once it does, you need to search something. You need to search Microsoft Photos, because this Windows doesn't come with a dedicated photo viewer. So once you select that, you'll find this and click on it. Then you should see an app like this. Once you see this, you should get something. Well, I installed mine, so you can see it, but it should say install or get right here. Click on that and you should have everything set up. Now if you have any graphics card or dedicated graphics, you need to install the drivers separately. So look into Google and you will find all the drivers you need.